Hello, my cookies. Today we are going to be smothering some cabbage without using any swine. No pork in the cabbage today. So let's cook. Of course, we're going to need a big, healthy head of cabbage, and we're just going to pull out that stem, I guess that's what you would call it, and cut that out and then just slice it however you like. Some people like to shred it. I prefer to just kind of chop it up into half-inch cubes, then toss it in the sink and rinse it really, really well. Make sure you get all that dirt or whatever may be found in the cabbage. Get that out of there, drain it in the colander, and now we can head over to the stove. I'm going to spray my pot with nonstick cooking spray. Then I'm going to add in my roasted chicken and garlic sausage. You can use any sausage you'd like or even bacon. If you eat pork, that's cool. And I'm just going to fry the sausage until it starts to release that grease, as you can see at the bottom. That's going to flavor our cabbage really, really well. So just go ahead and fry that around. Then we can add in our diced onions and then just saute those until they're nice and brown and start to caramelize a little bit. Now we're going to add our cabbage in, pack it in there. It may not all fit at one time, so cover it with a lid, allow it to cook down for 2 to 3 minutes. Then you can add the rest of the cabbage. Just pack it in there, it'll cook down. As you can see, I didn't add a lot of water. You actually don't need to add any water because cabbage releases its own water as it cooks, but I added a little bit just to get the party started. So cover it with a lid and we're going to smother it for about 20 to 25 minutes, and it should look like this. It's looking good, but it's not done yet. Now we can get our seasoning on. So here I'm just adding some onion powder and some Cajun seasoning. Use your favorite seasoning salt, and we're going to stir it together really, really well. And now we need to add in some butter because butter makes everything better. So add that in there, cover it back up with the lid, turn that heat to low, and allow it to cook until it's as tender as you desire. I like for mine to melt in your mouth, child. So right here, we're at the melt in your mouth stage. So we are completely done, my cookies. How easy and quick was that? Look at this cabbage. Oh Lord, so good. It's one of my favorite vegetables, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Of course, the recipe link will be down there in the description box. If you like this recipe, give your girl a thumbs up. I gotta eat. I'm about to tear this cabbage up. So until next time, be blessed.